I never planned on becoming a temple artist. It all started with just one commission. The first time I painted a temple, it was for a client in Bangalore, and that was the Thanjavur Temple. At that time, this was just another project. Few months later, another commission came by. This time, it was the Srirangam Temple. This was for a client in Sydney. That painting went unexpectedly viral. After that, I got a lot of requests for temple paintings. I had to really think, why am I enjoying this so much? At first, I thought it was the architecture. It was the colors, the symmetry and the detailing. But over time, I realized that it was much deeper than that. People place these paintings in homes, mandirs and even Arangetram performances. This is not just decor. It is a connection to their roots. It's just the fact that my art can give someone that feeling, that's what makes it so special. Each painting takes me almost a month. It's a slow process. But that's what I love about it. It just feels like meditation. Just showing up every day, making simple progress. After painting more than 10 temples, I have found a rhythm. Everything feels more natural. What started at just one commission, it became something much bigger than expected. And I think I am just getting started. I'll be sharing more of this journey here.